Finally, after a long rest, the Nissan Xterra is rumored to be back with a stricter redesign and is equipped with a digital presence and will provide extraordinary off-road performance. The Nissan Xterra is likely to be launched in 2025. According to the scattered news and some digital images circulating, it can be seen that the Nissan Xterra that will be present this time adopts the style of the Nissan Frontier and will be placed under the Nissan Rogue. This model has a good chance of returning to the field, especially with the idea of defeating rivals such as the Ford Bronco Sport and Jeep Compass. On this arrival, the Nissan Xterra will offer less interior space. The cabin is elegantly designed and modern to fit the times. The ingredients used are high-quality materials. Some chrome elements will also be added and credited with improvements. The 2025 Nissan Xterra engine that is most likely to adopt from Nissan Frontier will use a 3.8-liter V engine with a power equivalent to 310 horsepower and a 9-speed automatic transmission. However, there is also news that the V6 engine is optional, and the smaller 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine should be standard.